Oh, Kirby, go in front.
Oh, you go.
No. You said you don't like me in the back. Get up there.
Keep it going, Mose. I fell off. Nice. Let me do a quick camera check. I fell off. I can't believe I fell off. No, you go to the right, I guess. Bloody Mary's a black.
Crazy, so they all come off of Hail Mary. That's pretty cool.
Okay, pressure off.
Fuck, that hurt. Thank you. Oh. My turn for Charlie horse.
Just a couple medium pedals.
Yeah, I'm pull up and just slap on.
Okay, I'll go last.
Oh boy. There's a big berm at bone. Yeah, I'm gonna do gap.
Do you want to do that again? Well, we're gonna wait for Clayton, so. Me too. I wanted to go closer to Sam, but I couldn't get my pedal on.
Spring just posted live location. Oh, my heart's fucking.
Did you want to go again, Mose?
I can go again. Okay. Yeah, take a stab at it, Mose. Clayton just got home.
Rear tire didn't. That first one I landed like so far in the roots.
Oh, I landed right on the stump.
Yeah.
Hello, day 6. We're at Mary Creek Trail in Castlegar. I got it right, you guys. Castlegar.
Roslyn.
Don't confuse me. Anyways, we're doing a pretty big climb up Mary Go Round.
Yeah.
And then it turns into Mr. Green's up track, and it's about 7K. 9 kilometers in total. What is this in meters? Oh, 1,400, 900. It's about
450, I think.
to 750, 800 meters. So
Two punches of 400.
probably take us an hour and a bit. But we're doing Mr. Kangaroo coming down. It's gonna be freaking awesome. Looking forward to it. Haven't done it yet. But after my few crashes yesterday, I'll probably take it a bit easier. And yeah, see you up there. We're still on the climb trail, like not very far up. Maybe climb for like 15 minutes. Nice cool suspension bridge here though, I wanted to show you guys. Pretty sweet. Woo. Yeah. Slight change in plans.
I think with
Caught out thunderstorm, so instead of doing the full climb, your new parts will head back down. And what we're gonna hit? Wings?
Wings of Mary.
Wings of Mary.
Wait.
Yeah, I'll go last. That's cool. Maybe drop that foot. Oh yeah. That was good, well done. There's the thunder.
Frozen again.
Oh, not a bad time to freeze. Nice, Kirby. Yo, that dropping the foot has helped me so much. I feel way better in loose corners. Oh yeah, that was a good one to do another time. Yeah, not hitting that blind. Yeah, so one thing I've learned watching a video of Lone Rangers is cornering in these really dry sections is dropping your foot, which I didn't realize before. It's made such a noticeable difference. Oh yeah. Woo! Oh yeah.
Nice. That was awesome.
That was crazy.
That was fun. Oh yeah. I guess you're just gonna, I'll back up. Oh yeah, got good speed through that section. Nice hop over that rock. Oh, small case. Oh.